Hello guys, I'm sorry I was not able to make a video for Jan 2021, but I'm going to try my best this year to make video every month. Okay, so this video is for Feb 2021. So as always, you have to see which pile is attracting you most. So you have to select either. So this is the first one, you've got time. This is the second one, honor yourself. And this is the third one, you were born with that it quality. So whichever quote attracts you the most, you have to select that one. So if you are confused, you can just close your eyes, pray to God, Goddess, Archangels, and ask them to guide you to the right deck for Feb 2021. Okay, so once you've selected the deck, so today we'll be just doing the card readings, and I'll be picking up chits for what blessings you're going to get in 2020 Feb 2021. So we'll not be doing the crystals and the charms and everything. I will only be doing the cards. Okay, so again, this is pile 1, this is pile 2, and this is pile 3. So those of you who've selected the first pile, that is, you've got time. So the universe is trying to give you a message and trying to tell you that you've got time, which means that you have a lot of time and you should make proper use of it and not waste it on things that are not going to be productive. So avoid doing things that like being lazy or procrastinating your work, or distractions like social media, sleeping too much. Okay, so all these distractions you need to remove, and you need to use the time that you have got, because if you lose this time, then the universe is not going to help you out. Okay, so you need to utilize your time very well. So time management is very important in the month of Feb 2021. Now let's see what your tarot cards are saying. Okay, so this month I feel you are going to have some kind of celebration. You are also going to be invited for a social event, so maybe marriage, engagement, anniversaries, birthdays. Okay, so any kind of celebration is going to happen in Feb. I also feel that there could be some so it could also be that you're going to party with your friends. Okay, there are going to be a lot of parties that you are going to go for along with your friends. I also feel that you need, if you are into alcohol, you need to control your temptation and your craving for alcohol. So try not to get addicted to it. Have alcohol in limits. I also feel so it's going to be a very fun, loving, happy kind of month overall, a very good positive energy. So with regards to your health, I feel that you are waiting for that time. So I feel some of you are going through some kind of health issues, and you are desperately waiting कि ये कब ठीक होगा, like when will I get well. So the wait, have patience, divine timing is going to come and you are going to get healed. The angels are also saying that you need to pray to Archangel Raphael for healing, and you need to detach. Okay, you need to detach from this obsession of getting healed. So you are so attached to this you are so attached to the result of getting healed that you are actually not getting healed, because you are attracting a lot of negative chords with this health issue that you are having. So you need to just accept and you need to detach yourself from the health issue. So if suppose for example you are having some issue, say you are having back pain example, so you need to stop thinking that constantly I'm having back pain, I'm having back pain, or when will this back pain go, when will my back get healed. You just need to accept that okay, my back is having a problem, I accept it, and I am getting healed, and just leave it to Archangel Raphael for healing. Don't constantly keep on saying and repeating the same thing again and again. Once you detach and you accept it, you will automatically get healed. Okay. So with regards to your finances, I feel that you are repeating some kind of mistake that you are repeating some kind of mistake which you have already repeated in the past with regards to money. So maybe investing it in the wrong place, or giving your money to a wrong person which you have given before, or not managing money well. So it could be a pattern or that you are not able to manage your money well, so overspending, or not calculating the money well. So I feel you should look into that particular pattern which you are following and make corrections to it. Try to improve and improvise your pattern of managing money. I also feel that there could be, so you could receive money from your elders. Okay, so maybe your grandparents or your parents are or some family member is going to help you with your finances. Okay, so this card is for your career. So I feel that you need to showcase your skills, your products, your services, whatever you are doing, you need to show it to the people. Okay, don't keep it inside you. Show it to the people, post it on social media, advertise it, promote it. So use social media a lot in order to promote your skills, your talents, services and products. Also this month I feel you will get a lot of appreciation for your work. You will be recognized, you will be appreciated. I also feel that some of you can also receive some kind of promotion. Okay, with regards to your relationship, I feel there is going to be some kind of transformation or change that is going to come in your relationships. Okay, so but that transformation or that change is not going to be that easy. Okay, it might be a painful transformation. So maybe you might have to sacrifice on something to actually have this transformation. That is one part of the meaning. The second part could also mean that you could be cheated. So someone could, some of your relative or your family, friends, any kind of relationship, someone might lie to you or cheat you. So I think you need to be careful about that as well. Okay, so this month you need to be careful with regards to your relationships. Okay, guidance. So if I feel some of you have been thinking about partnership, so I feel this is a good time for getting into partnerships, the month of Feb. Also, if you are planning to expand your business, maybe if you are planning to expand your business out of the city that you are in, okay, or out of the country that you are in, then also this it's showing a good card for that as well. So Feb May you can expand your business. Also I feel a lot of you are going to actually travel in the month of Feb, maybe for leisure or for work, but travel is going to be there, especially to some some place where there are a lot of mountains and rivers. Okay, so some sea, some water element is going to be there where you are going to travel. Okay, so I feel the challenges you are going to face this month is you are going to be very insecure. Okay, very insecure, very patient, fearful. So I feel you should you need to control on that feeling of being insecure, and you need to have more confidence on yourself, on your work, on your relationships. So have more confidence in your own love. Okay, so if you are loving a person, don't be insecure. Be confident that no matter what, this person will come to me only, because no one can love this person more than I do. So be very confident about your own self, and don't waste your time in fears and insecurities, because that will only lower your energies and attract negative things into your life. Okay, this month I feel the crystals are going to help you. So like I said, it will lower your vibrations. All these negative emotions that you are having, that about insecurity, fear, impatience, all these things can lower your energies. So the crystals are going to help you raise that vibration or raise your energy high. Okay, so use more crystals this month. With regards to your finances, I feel citrine, green aventurine, carnelian, these are the crystals that will help you. And with regards to your relationship, rose quartz ducks, or rose quartz sphere will help you out. With regards to your health, you can actually pray to Archangel Raphael and wear any green color crystal. Wow, so you've got the opportunity card or message from the angels. So the angels are saying that you are going to get an opportunity. So it could be, so like I said, यहाँ पे कि expand होगा business. There are possibilities that your business will expand. So that could be an opportunity. Wow, you've got crystals again. That means this month definitely you should wear crystals. This is the second confirmation. So crystals is a must this month. It's going to help you really a lot. Vulnerability. So like I said here, okay, you are insecure, fearful. So you are vulnerable, and over here also. Okay, you are vulnerable, so you need to make yourself strong. You need to listen to your intuition and pray for strength. Okay, pray for strength to the angels and to goddess Durga. You can pray for a lot of strength and courage. Creative. Okay, so like I said over here, you need to showcase your talents and skills. You need to show the people what work you do or what products you sell. Okay, so for that you need to use creativity. Okay, so creatively you need to so maybe making a really attractive creative image about your services or about your products, making a creative video. So all these things are going to help you. Okay, moonlighting, which means that you need to work on your dream career. Okay, so you have been wanting to do something as, so some hobby which you want to convert into your career, and you should do it because it is going to take you really high. Okay, it's going to give you a lot of success. So you need to do that. You need to make your talent and your skills, again talent and skills, you need to make that into your career. So it could be a second source of income, like doing it part-time and then slowly making it as your main career, but doing something related to your hobby and something you like. Creative skills also you can use. So that is going to be a additional source of income for you, and it's going to bring success as well. So the goddess that is with you, so Lord Krishna is going to be with you this month, in the month of Feb. Let's see what he's saying. Okay, sense of humor, universal love and charity, success in loving relationships, carefree attitude towards life. So he's blessing you. He wants to bless your relationship. So यहाँ पे you saw there's going to be change and transformation. So he's going to bless you and things are going to get better for sure. But it's not going to be easy. You will need lot of strength and courage for it. Also, Lord Krishna is saying that you need to accept love as universal, as unconditional. Okay, so it's not that love is not give and take always. Sometimes the true meaning of love is actually being unconditional. So you are giving out love without expecting anything in return. That is the most purest form of love. So you need to feel that kind of love. Okay, I also feel that you need to get more playfulness, more cheerfulness in your relationships and in your life overall. So we know how Lord Krishna was. He was very naughty, very playful. So that kind of attitude you need to have towards life. So don't be too serious about everything. Enjoy every moment of your life, and get some playfulness in your life is what I would suggest. I also feel that Lord Krishna is actually saying that you need to see other people with love and not with fear. So there, I feel that you have doubts about people. You have doubts regarding your own love. So you need to see other people with love and appreciate the good things in them. And also not only in relationships but overall. So if it's related to your health, and I gave you an example of back pain, so just tap on your back and just say, I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you for functioning absolutely normal. I love you. So you need to love your body as well. You need to love your money, your career, your relationships. So basically you need to see everything with the eyes, with the perspective of love. Okay, and pray to Lord Krishna to develop that feeling of love. Now let's see what blessings you're going to get the month of Feb. Okay. Nature and rejuvenate. So like I said over here, there are chances that you are going to travel, and traveling to a place where there's going to be water, mountain. So nature is going to help you feel more refreshed and relaxed. So spend more time with nature. Wow, you've got creative ideas again. So यहाँ पे we saw creative ideas. So creativity is actually going to help you flourish in your career. Okay, so make sure you use think out of the box. Think so if you are finding a solution to a particular problem, try to think in ways that you would not normally think. Okay, so out of the box thinking is required. I also feel the unicorns and the horses are going to help you. So pray to them, try to connect with them, and they will help you out. Intuition, like I said here, you need to use your intuition. Okay, so listen to your intuition and then take decisions. Also, crystals will help you raise your intuition. Protection, so you are going to be blessed with a lot of protection from the angels and from the goddesses. So I think you are going to be protected here. So that's a good sign, guys. So let me just summarize for you. Make sure you use your time correctly. There is going to be a lot of celebration this month. Wait, you are going to get healed. You need to change the pattern of something related to finances. Be careful in your relationships. There is going to be change and transformation for good, but that change and transformation is going to be painful. There are chances of travel, business expansion as well. Deal with your insecurities and your fear with strength and courage. So crystals are going to help you raise your vibration. There's an opportunity that's going to come. You need to make your dream career as your secondary source of income. Display your services and your products in creative ways. And use your intuition. Don't be vulnerable. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this reading. Please do share, like, and comment, and please share your feedback with me. And also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you. Have a happy Feb. Okay, those of you who've selected the second pile or honor thyself. So the universe is sending you a message that you need to honor yourself. You need to respect and love yourself. Okay. I feel that some of you are having these thoughts of self-pity, self-doubt, low self-esteem, low self-confidence. So you need to boost up, okay? You need to boost up your confidence. You need to love yourself and stand up for yourself. I also feel some of you are tolerating the wrong things that are being done to you. Maybe someone is trying to pull you down, criticizing you or harassing you, and you are constantly tolerating that. So it's time that you honor yourself and take some action and stand for your own self. Okay, so that's the message from the universe. Now let's see what the tarot cards and angel cards are saying. Okay, see, like I said over here, this card is saying the same thing, that you are being bullied. Okay, you are being bullied by someone, and you are tolerating it and not doing anything about it. So don't put that as your fate or as your destiny कि मेरे साथ तो ऐसा होने ही वाला है. I'm okay with it. Don't be okay with such a behavior. You need to fight for yourself and stand up for yourself this month. Okay. So with regards to this card, I feel that there is some male figure, some authoritative figure who is actually causing a lot of torture, a lot of mental torture, I feel, is happening to you. So there's a lot of stress, a lot of anxiety. You are feeling depressed because of this person, some authoritative person, whether male or female. So you need to actually fight that out, fight this person out and stand up for yourself. It's badly needed. Okay, Ace of Cups. So I feel once you fight this this person, this authoritative person who is dominating you and harassing you, there will be new beginnings. Okay, there will be new beginnings with respect to your relationships. There will be new beginnings in your emotions also. Okay, so you will get out of this depression and anxiety and stress, and you will be opening yourself up to new things in life, to better things in life. Okay, Queen of Wands. Okay, so I feel that you are a very passionate woman, a very strong person, and you are a person who is actually balancing your work and home life, but at the same time I feel that there is a lot of influence of other people in your life. Okay, I feel you are not, you are wanting to be independent, you are wanting to be out of this mess, but you are not able to do that. But I feel you need to do that badly anyhow. You need to get out of this situation, because new things, new beginnings are awaiting. If you fight this out, then new beginnings and more independence, more freedom, more success in your career is awaiting. But all these good things are being blocked because of this, negativity around here. Okay, so I feel with respect to your relationships again, you are extremely confused. So I feel some of you are looking out for a partner, for a life partner, and you have multiple choices and you are confused कि किसको select करूँ. So make sure you use your mind and your intuition well, and then get into any decision about it. I also feel that to get out of this situation, okay, you are having all the resources available to you. So you know what to do, you know whom to contact, you know what to use in order to get out of this situation, but you are not taking action. You are not able to use these resources well. Okay, so I think it's really high time that you get strong and face this situation. Okay, so see, guidance again, this is telling the same thing, that you are feeling sad, depressed. If you see this man, he's so lonely, he's so lost. Okay, so you are in this situation right now, and in Feb also you might be in this situation if you don't fight out. Okay, you need to get strong badly. Okay, so again there is a lot of influence by other people. Other people are trying to pull you down, criticizing you, um, they're trying to smash you or cut you off. But you need to speed up, you need to, you need to speed up and move forward really fast. You need to think way more ahead than what they are thinking, or you need to take way more faster actions than they are taking. Okay, so you need to speed up yourself. See, if you get nervous, focus on service. That means all your nervousness, anxiety, and all those negative feelings will go away if you try to do some kind of service. So, again, doing service in the sense, help someone, do something good for others, or volunteer for a good cause. That all will help you get stronger. It will also improve your self confidence. It will open you up a bit to fight for yourself. Compromise. Okay, so I feel that the angels are telling you to compromise, but I feel they are saying you to compromise on your fears, compromise on your anxieties, your tolerance. So whatever you are tolerating, you need to compromise, you need to leave it, you need to just throw it away. See, talk to your angels. So angels are there to help you. You need to just talk to them instead of worrying. Ask for guidance. Okay, so you need to talk to your angels, discuss your issues with them, ask them to show you the right direction, the right course of action. Okay, they will surely help you. With regards to your health, I feel you need to consult a doctor or a counselor, or whatever issues you are facing regarding health. You need a second opinion with regards to that. Okay, media. So I feel you need to showcase your work on media. You need to use social media in some form, maybe to find a solution to your problems. You can watch videos, or you can watch inspirational motivational videos which will help you get more confident. Okay, so your parents are sending love to you. If your parents are not present, if they have left their body, they are sending you love. They love you, they are with you, and they are sending you a lot of love. And they are saying that no matter what happens, no matter uh, how you are, we love you. Okay, so they are sending a lot of unconditional love. If your parents are still present, I feel you need to speak to them. They will be the best people to guide you, as they are our first angels. Actually, if you go to see it, we are born because of them, so they are our first angels. Okay, so they will guide you in the right direction, and they are actually, they actually love you. Even if you don't have a good relationship with them, they still love you and they still accept you for who you are. Okay, so with respect to your career, I feel you need to change the employment. So you need to change the field of career you are in, or you need to change, if you are working in a particular company or a particular business, you need to change from that place and search for a new job, is what I feel. Okay, because that new changes in your career are actually going to uh, release the old things and get in new. So what I feel is also that I feel some of you, I'm not sure if all, but some of you are facing some issues in your career. So maybe this person is actually your boss, or your colleagues who are actually playing a lot of politics, or criticizing your work, not appreciating your work, causing a lot of stress, or harassing you at the workplace. So this employment change is very necessary. The god that is with you this month is Lord Kapila. Okay, so he is known as the knower of matter and spirit. Let's see what he's saying. Scientific knowledge, power of discrimination, divine understanding and liberation, knowledge and mastery of the material elements. Okay, so scientific knowledge, you are going to get some kind of scientific knowledge that will help you. ओके, पावर ऑफ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. सो लाइक आई सेड, यहाँ पे कुछ डिस्क्रिमिनेशन हो रहा है, या यू नो योर बॉस इज बीइंग वेरी अनफेयर और समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो लॉर्ड कपिला विल हेल्प यू विथ इट. यू नीड टू प्रे टू हिम. Divine understanding and liberation. Okay, so liberation means you need to free yourself, you need to liberate yourself of all the negative things that are happening in your life. Knowledge and mastery of material elements. So जैसे कि यहाँ पे बोला, there is going to be opportunity, there is going to be independence, employment, change, success, material needs are going to be met, but only if you work out on these issues and you pray to Lord Kapila to help you and guide you. Okay, so I feel you need to okay, so I feel you need to get that power of ruling your own life. So don't let other people, don't give your life's key to somebody else. Okay, you are the master of your life, and only you can only you can dominate your life, only you can control your life. Don't give that control away to others, is what I feel. Now let's see what blessings you are going to get this month. Okay, water. Okay, so I feel you need to have more water. You need to hydrate yourself. That is one aspect. Another thing is water also represents emotions, and as I said, you are going to be depressed or anxious, and a lot of emotional disturbance is going to be there, so you need to take care of that. But drinking water is actually going to help you. I am actually I don't really suggest anything on the video very often, like, but I want to, I'm having this intuition of telling you guys. So I feel you should take a glass bottle or a glass, कांच का glass में पानी, and hold it in your hand, hold it in your left hand, cover it with your right hand, and say all the positive affirmations, and bless the water. So just so you know that water absorbs energy, water absorbs positive and negative energy. So fill your glass of water or your bottle of water with lots of positive energies, like I'm strong, I am peaceful, I'm happy, I have a very strong willpower, I'm courageous, I am love. Okay, so say all these positive affirmations to this glass of water, and then have that water every day, or the entire day also you can have this water. Okay, what's this? Friends. Okay, so I feel you need to spend more time with your friends, or you are going to spend more time with your friends, and it's going to help you feel better. Okay, pregnancy, childbirth, children. Okay, so I feel some of you are going to conceive this month or give birth to a child, or children are going to be your center of attention this month. Miracle and magic. Wow. So you've got miracle and magic. That means your issues are going to get solved. There is some kind of miracle and magic that is going to happen in Feb 2021. Wow. Awesome. So I feel you are going to overcome all this with a lot of strength and courage. And please do pray to the angels. They will definitely help you out. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this reading and it was helpful to you. Please do like, share and comment. Please share your feedback, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The link is in the description section, so please follow me. Thank you. Okay, so those of you who selected the third pile, this is your message from the universe. You were born with that it quality. Okay, so what I feel the universe is trying to tell you is that if you have been feeling, that I'm not attractive, or people don't find me sexy, or I don't have good looks, you are definitely wrong. You are extremely beautiful, you are extremely sexy, hot, and you've got that that quality in you to attract people. You are charismatic, you are also very confident. You just need to feel it. You have it in you. You need to just explore it, feel it, and show it off. Okay, now let's see what the tarot cards are saying. Okay, so I feel this month you are going to be filled with a lot of work. Okay, you are going to be overloaded with a lot of work, a lot of responsibilities. You may also become really workaholic. Okay, make sure you designate work, you take help. Otherwise you are going to be really stressful and overloaded with work, which you might not be able, so you might not be able to manage the amount of work that you will get. So make sure you take help and you delegate work. I also feel that some of you might be having some might get some issues related to bones and muscles. So shoulder pain, back pain, leg pain, some kind of pain might be there, so just be careful about that. Okay, so I feel there is going to be some message with regards to money. So you must have invested and that money is going to come back to you, or you are going to get some new opportunities. Okay, some news related to finance is definitely coming. Okay, so you need to take care of you need to take care of fire, you need to take care of yourself. There could be some kind of loss that could be happening in your finance, or so like I said, some financial news is going to come, so it could be good or bad. I feel it could be on a negative side. So make sure you don't get into any kind of partnership this month, or you or don't sign any documents without checking it twice. So this month you need to be careful with regards to your money. Okay, with regards to your career, I feel you are going to be recognized, you are going to shine like a star, you are going to receive lot of appreciation. You are going to get a lot of opportunities, success, growth. Your career is going to flourish, but make sure about your money. Okay, so career is good, but money could be a problem if you don't take care of it. So like I said, so it's like a story that goes on. See, you will be having a lot of responsibilities, you will get some news related to your career, so you will be having a lot of work which will get recognition, success, and all the positive things in your career. But you need to take care of your money related matters. Okay, so don't invest right now, or don't give money, give loans to anyone. Okay, don't overspend. So you might also, I feel you might also overspend, so zyada shopping kar liya, yeah, you know, unwanted spending. You need to keep a check on that. Okay, with regards to your relationship, I feel emotionally you could be a little disturbed. However, you will overcome it. Okay, you need to use your intuition, you need to love yourself. Like I said over here also, you need to love yourself. And especially on the full moon, okay, try to be patient, don't lose your calmness, don't lose your patience. So full moon is on the 28th of Jan, but I feel that time you need to control on your emotions and not get into any arguments, because that could cause problems in the month of Feb. Okay, okay, I feel that you need to get more fun in your life. You need to break through, you know, you need to have a breakthrough, you need to break yourself from the chains of negative energy. You need to break yourself free, so you need to be more independent is what I feel. See, again, this card is also saying that you need to be more patient. You might face situations where you will lose your temper, you will get highly aggressive and emotionally disturbed, but you need to stay balanced, you need to stay calm. See, emotional sensitivity, again, third confirmation card. So 1, 2 and 3, all three cards are saying that you could be emotionally disturbed. So you need to actually balance out your emotions, and the angels are with you and they're telling you no need to worry, things are going to get better. Again, you've got the sensitivity card. Okay, so you're becoming more sensitive and need to make changes accordingly. So I feel that so from the devil card and the tower card, I'm also feeling that you are catching or you are attracting other people's energies, other people's negative energies. You are very sensitive, you are a very sensitive person, who gets emotional very easily, who gets attached to other people's problems very easily. So you if someone is sharing a particular problem or an issue with you, you tend to keep thinking about this person ki ye bichara iska kya hoga, how will this person solve this particular problem. So you attach yourself to this person's problem a lot, which is why you attract that negative energy in you, and you need to get rid of this behavior of yours or this habit of yours. Okay, and you need to work on your sensitivity. It's very good to be sensitive as you understand other people's feelings, you understand energies, but you need to know how to use your sensitivity and your emotions in the right way. Divine intervention. So I feel with respect to your health, there is going to be divine intervention, there is going to be help from the angels and God. You need to ask them to help you out with the health issues that you are facing. Okay, you can also say this prayer. Dear Archangel Raphael, thank you for being with the person's name and for helping with, you can describe what health issues are there, and I have faith in divine intervention and fully accept your guidance now. Okay, so they will surely help you get healed. I also feel that you guys need to pray to Saint Jude, and you can also do the Saint Jude ritual for healing. See, again, divine guidance. You've got two cards of divine guidance, divine intervention, and no need to worry. So these three cards are actually telling you that the divine, the universe, the angels, all the higher beings are there with you. They are there to help you, heal you, support you, but you only need to ask and have faith in them. See, relax, everything's okay. Okay, again you've got this confirmation that relax, everything is okay, don't worry too much, don't overthink, don't attract negative energy towards yourself, just relax and calm down. Okay, so with regards to money, it is safe for you to receive. So like I had said earlier, that there could be issues related to your finances over here, but after seeing all these cards, okay, so after seeing that the divine is with you, I feel it is safe for you to receive money. So be open to receiving. I already said यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा card है for career. There's going to be a lot of growth and success, recognition, fame, opportunities that are going to come in your career. Okay, so be open to receiving. There are chances that because of this all negativity around here, that because you are attracting so much of negative energy, you could create blocks to receive. So make sure that you open yourself to receive and actually raise yourself higher. Okay, the god that is with you is Parshuram. Okay, so if you see a slayer of demons. Okay, interesting. So if you see here, you've got the devil card, which is a demon. You've got the tower card, which is again a negative card of tarot. And you've got Parshuram, who is there to help you out to deal with these demons. Okay, so like I said here, divine is with you. Okay, you need to only have faith and pray to them and ask them for help. So see, teaching ability, he is going to teach you how to be strong, how to get out of this situation. Ultimate justice for all, so he is going to give you justice for all the wrong things that are happening. He's a skill in the martial arts, so maybe you need to learn some kind of defense arts so that you can actually fight out all these demons or all the negative energy. So I feel physical exercise, physical activity, some kind of physical activity is actually going to help you release all the negative energies that are stuck in your aura and your chakras. So converting warrior spirit and qualities into peaceful ones. So like I said, you need to be calm and peaceful. You need to balance your emotions. Okay, so you should pray to Parshuram this month. Okay, and I think you will receive help. So divine help is definitely there with you guys. Now let's see what blessings you are going to get in Feb. So nature and rejuvenate, you need to spend more time in nature. That will help you release your negative energies. You've also got protection, and as I said, you are divinely protected. Healing and recovery. Okay, interesting. See, यहाँ पे we've already saw that Archangel Raphael is there to heal you and help you recover. So you've got healing and recovery. Happy relationships. Okay, so if you work on your emotions, you are going to be blessed with happy relationships. Engagement and marriage. Okay, so I feel you might get engaged or married in Feb, or you will attend a friend or a relative's engagement and marriage. Okay, you are also going to be blessed with good health. Wow, amazing. Okay, so these are the messages for you. I hope you enjoyed this reading and it was helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, please share your feedback, and please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The link is in the description section. So please do follow me. Thank you. Happy Feb.